Start here in our studio with meteorologist Ted McInerney, who has been at it since what, 4:30, but he doesn't look tired.
I'm laughing at Cameron. Look at him, guys. Look at the guy out there.
he's also been here all morning.
His glasses are fogged up. He's a Philly guy.
Yeah, he is. He's a pro.
Let's talk about what's going on right now. The blizzard of 2026 is underway. Obviously, historic storm, New York City, southern New England, and into Boston. We're seeing the storm that is tracking to our south. Now, if this had tracked a little bit more from Cape Cod up toward Nova Scotia, this would have been a monster storm for us with heavy amounts of snow. So this is not an impressive snow total storm, but the winds combined with the snow is causing blizzard conditions that are making things pretty treacherous. We have some pretty good banding of snow coming in still, so there's still a chance to pick up some pretty good snow. Augusta finally in on the snow here. A lot of these communities were like, hey, where's our snow? Or maybe we're lucking out. But you're looking at Lewiston, Auburn, heavy snow band there into gray. You can see the cone of uncertainty. That's what we call that little cone right there. That's where the radar tower is. And you can see where the pine trees are blocking the radar with all these little lines. Those are the individual trees blocking the radar, so we don't have a clear view until they cut the trees down and raise the tower. Here's what's going on as we head out toward northern York County. Some heavier snow bands from Leamington all the way up to Raymond on the west side of Sebago Lake. That band now pushing into western Maine. This is where the conditions are going to deteriorate quickly in western Maine. All right, highest wind gusts today. Kittery Point got to 65-mile-an-hour winds. Cryhaven at 60-mile-an-hour winds. Cape Elizabeth just offshore, 49-mile-an-hour winds. Cape Elizabeth, Cape Nettic also, and then Portland around 40-mile-an-hour winds. Right now, offshore, we have 13-foot waves, 12 miles offshore from Portland. That's pretty big, right? Winds are from the north, gusting up to 45 knots. And you can see, all right, guys, this is the real deal. This just got updated at 12, officially in a blizzard in Portsmouth and Kittery. And look at the wind gust. I need to update the last graphic. 52-mile-an-hour winds just reported at the Portland Jetport. So this has gotten serious there. The winds really getting going as that low pressure gets closer and closer. You can see 43 in Rockland. They're about an hour away from being in an official blizzard. We can hang on to things here. We're looking at Sanford. I got to go check, guys. I knew they had the visibility, but I see that half-mile visibility in Portsmouth. So I'll have to go check. I was trying to do some observations online here on air, but that wind gust is matched for 3 hours. I don't think the visibility. I'll check on that. 0-mile visibility right now in Sanford, quarter-mile visibility right now in Portland, and a quarter-mile visibility in Rockland. So we're getting close. Here's a live look in Rockland right now. Look how bad the conditions are.